Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda CR-V seat for optimal comfort and safety. First, always adjust your seat before driving to ensure full control of the vehicle. It is recommended to maintain at least 10 inches, or 25 centimeters, between your chest and the steering wheel. Sitting upright and well back in the seat helps maximize the effectiveness of safety features like airbags. Proper positioning reduces fatigue and enhances your overall driving experience. For manual seat adjustments, locate the bar under the front of your seat. Pull this bar up to slide the seat forward or backward, then release it to lock your position. To adjust the seat back angle, find the lever on the outside edge of the seat bottom. Pull it up to recline or bring the seat back forward. Some models also feature a pumping lever on the side to raise or lower the seat height for better visibility. If your Honda CR-V has power seats, you will find controls on the outside edge of the seat bottom. The long horizontal switch moves the entire seat forward, backward, up, or down. A shorter vertical switch typically adjusts the seat back angle. Many models also include a 4-way power lumbar support switch, allowing you to increase or decrease support for your lower and upper back, enhancing long drive comfort. Your Honda CR-V may offer a driving position memory system, allowing you to store 2 preferred driver seat settings. To save a position, adjust your seat, press the SET button, then press either memory button 1 or 2 within 5 seconds. You will hear a beep confirming the setting. For headrests, pull them upward to raise or press the release button and push down to lower. Ensure the top of your ears are level with the headrest center for optimal protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.